Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain the use of linear scale factor in dimension settings. Let us try to understand by an example. I am taking a rectangle of size 10, 7 and try to place length and width dimensions like this. Now if you observe, these dimensions are not properly visible. Let us try to scale up this drawing. Take scale command and scale by 2 times, even though the dimensions are not properly visible. Now let us go to dimension settings and increase the overall scale. So take dim style command and go to modify and change the overall scale in fit tab to 5 times and say OK and close this. Now the dimensions are properly visible, but the values are increased, means the size of the drawing has been increased. To show these dimensions to half of the size, means the original size of the part which we would like to show, we need to change linear scale factor. Means it is 20 only, but we would like to show it as 10, and this is 14 only, but we would like to show this as 7. Means half times we would like to show the scale. So for that, go to dim style and then go to modify again, and in primary units change scale factor to 0.5 times and say OK and close this dialog. Now if you observe, actually the original distance between these 2 points is 20 units, you can observe here, but it is showing 10 units. Means if you want to show the dimension based on a factor, that is by 0.5 times or 2 times or 5 times, whatever the scale factor you want to show, if you want to increase or decrease the text value of the dimension, you can use this scale factor in dimension settings. To change this scale factor, you have to go to dim style and go to modify, and in primary units tab, here it is scale factor. Here let us say if you give 2, it will be shown as 40 because the original dimension is 20 and the length will be displayed as 40. As we have given 0.5, the 20 has become 10. So like this, you can change linear scale factor to display the text value of the dimensions. Friends, hope you understood what is the difference between overall scale and linear scale factor. Overall scale will change the appearance of the dimension, means it will increase or decrease the size of the text, arrow size, extension line sizes, all other appearance variables will be changed through overall scale. But linear scale factor will change only the text value of the dimension based on the factor given in the dimension settings. Friends, hope you understood what is the use of linear scale factor. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.